Love hurts, love scars, love wounds, and Mars. Are you the kind of runner that consistently seems to be dealing with recurring injuries on a much too regular basis? If so, you need to watch this video because there's no reason to be doing that. Injuries, yes, they're sort of a part of any athletic endeavor, but seeing the same injury over and over and over again on an every few month or at least every year basis, that's not normal. And you don't have to suffer through that as a runner. So if you're seeing some of these common running injuries on a regular basis, what can you do to break the cycle and start enjoying running and being able to run pain-free for a much longer stretch of time? Well, one of the first things that you can do is to incorporate more rest into your routine. When our bodies break down, when we develop shin splints or plantar fasciitis or any of the other common running injuries, that's our body's way of telling us that we're not giving it the time it needs to recover after our workouts. So incorporate another rest day or a couple of rest days into your week, maybe sleeping a little bit more, things like that will definitely help to break the cycle and prevent these recurring injuries from happening on a consistent basis. Another thing that you can do and maybe should try doing is add more cross training to your routine. You know, if you're running 5 days a week, maybe cut that back to 3 days a week or 4 days a week and add some cross training, add some cycling, add some swimming, something that's non-impact that's going to reduce the amount of stress on your body. Another good suggestion might be to reduce the amount of intensity on the days that you're training. When I read 80-20 Running, which is a great book and I highly encourage it both to help reduce your injury risk and to help improve your performance, one of the things they talk about is that most recreational runners run too hard too often. By lowering the intensity on some of our runs, not all of them, but just on some of them, you're giving your body a break and giving it a chance to not break down as often. So that can be something that you can do as well. And without question in my mind, the best thing that you can do to help to prevent recurring issues from happening, recurring injuries from cropping up on a consistent basis is to be proactive. Do some prehab, do some simple strength training exercises that you can do in the comfort of your own home that will really help to reduce your risk of developing, IT band syndrome and runner's knee and shin splints and stress fractures and plantar fasciitis and the whole host of common running injuries. At the end of the day, running shouldn't hurt. We do it for fun, we do it for fitness, we don't do it to cause ourselves pain. So if you're dealing with some of these common running injuries on a consistent basis, definitely use these tips to hopefully help you break the cycle. And if there's anything that I can do to help you, any advice that I can give you, any resources that I can point you towards, please reach out to me so that I can help you run pain-free. Love hurts. Ooh, love hurts.